What's up, guys? Today I have a pretty cool video. I got my first PSA submission back. I had to go run to FedEx to pick it up. I missed the delivery. I didn't get to sign it, but here it is. This is my first submission. I hope that isn't as blurry for you guys as it is on my screen. Uh, it is what it is. We're already recording, but this was kind of a perfect time for these cards to come back because there's some pretty big news with PSA grading. Now, I sent 21 cards in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Not going to lie, I didn't think 21 cards were in there. That's why I counted. It's a pretty small box for 21 cards. Let me take these out. I know people don't love PSA submission videos, like submission reveals, but my channel is pretty much based around people like me that are just trying to make some money in the hobby they like. I thought I would share this because, again, it is my first submission. This is to make money, and probably should have hid that. I hope I didn't dox myself that whole time. But this all comes at a good time because we're going to start flipping these. First grade is a 9. This is a great time for this video. I know I said it like 3 times now because GameStop, bang, first 10. That's pretty dope. That's the first 10 I've ever graded. Now, I don't expect these. We're off to a pretty good start. I don't expect these to be all 9s and 10s. I'll be honest with you. I'm going to put that. You guys can't see that, but that is on a stand for me to admire for the rest of this little video. It cost me $150 to become a member, another 9, PSA, to get the bulk rating, the $14.99 bulk pricing, another 10. Sweet. I sent in 15 of these, so you could see that. Be a 9 pile and a 10 pile. Let's see what else we get. Another 9. You don't have to pay that subscription fee anymore. You don't have to become a member to PSA anymore to get a pretty good price on, bang, another 10 on grading cards. You know, apparently GameStop is doing a like a middleman service fee. I'll pull it up right here. Flip cards while we do this. Another 9. They're grading Pokemon, Magic, Disney, Lorcana, Dragon Ball, One Piece, Star Wars, Yu-Gi-Oh! $15.99 a card. That's only $1 more than PSA member rates, and it's $4.99 shipping. That's cheaper shipping than what I paid like $40 for this submission for the grading. I want to say it was like $40 to ship this. So ooh, another 10. Here we go. It's 3 10s. So now it makes me think, did I waste $150? Oh, 9. This is if this was a 10, this was gonna go into my PC. But damn, that's unfortunate. All 9s and 10s though so far, no 8s. So weird that was just thrown in there like that. Should have been 15 of these in a row. $5 flat shipping is fantastic. You could drop off 50 cards to GameStop and just pay the $4.99 shipping. I mean, this is truly another 10. Here we go. That's 4 10s. This is pretty fucking dope. Forgive my language. There's no paperwork. You don't need a subscription. No card minimum and GameStop guarantee. Whatever that means. I don't know what that means, but GameStop is guaranteeing it. Another 10, back-to-back 10s. I'm a little annoyed because if I knew that this was a thing, I only became a PSA member last month before another fucking 10. Jesus Christ. All right, so these things seem to be pretty easy to grade. Hey, there we go. A 10 on the Nessa full art. Sweet. It's exciting. I keep getting sidetracked. I know I'm all over the place, but you know, there's a lot going on here. There's GameStop, basically giving us the PSA subscription. Uh, just cover. That sucks. Really wanted that in a 10. Got a 9. Um, I wish I never became a member. I could have saved myself $150. Damn. 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 God damn. I really wanted this in a 10. Ah, hurts to see. Hurts to see. There should be one more card in there that's not a Pikachu. One, two. There is. There's two. There's two. There's two more. Another 9. Um, this GameStop thing is a game changer, guys. If you're like me, damn. By the way, I'm aware of what my hands look like. I'm in heavy construction. They've been scrubbed, they've been washed. It is what it is. That hurts to see. I would definitely just use GameStop. If you don't have a subscription to PSA, another 10, I would 100% do at least my first submissions just straight through GameStop. I think it's a game changer. Another 9. I think it's a game changer. I think that makes things fantastic. Like you could already consign, or I don't know if that's the word, but you could 10. Hey, that got the 10. That's pretty nice. All right, so real quick, let's cut back. Let's cut back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2. An idiot. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 10s. All right, so we just missed 50% and 11 9s. So I sent in 21 cards. That's my first submission. I'm just gonna talk now. I can't believe GameStop. I know I've mentioned this like 3 times now. I would send my first submission just straight through GameStop. It seems like you're just gonna kind of go there, drop it off. Now I don't really know how, because it says like no paperwork. It says, let me take a look. Drop off, collecting. I saw somewhere, could be wrong, but it said like that there was like almost no paperwork or no submission form. But there's got to be something, because what happens if I go in and drop off this Deoxys V-Star and you drop off a Deoxys V-Star and my buddy Joe drops off a Deoxys V-Star? How are they going to track what belongs to who? I'm sure it's not that difficult for them to accomplish, but I kind of would like to know how that's happening before I go and drop off 30 cards. I mean, I won't be dropping off any cards to them because I already paid the subscription fee. I'm already now a member for the next year to PSA. So this doesn't really benefit me anymore. But goddamn, if this would have happened even a day before I signed up for PSA, probably wouldn't have a membership. Now, there might be an argument to be made that these PSA magazines possibly containing like this One Piece exclusive promo, things like that are kind of cool. So for that reason, I am glad that I didn't know that this GameStop thing was going to be a thing, because I do have the subscription now for a year. So I'll at least have this next year to figure out whether or not this PSA subscription is worth it. If all I'm going to get is $1 less than GameStop and nothing really else, then I might not renew my subscription for PSA, especially if I keep grading with cards. I mean, I'm up on this submission for sure. I mean, these are selling for like $90 a piece. I got 8 of them. These 8 actually will cover was 350. It was about 350, 360 to actually grade all of these. The cards, I don't know, what could they be worth? These were like $4 a piece when I bought them. So 4 times $60. $60 for the Pikachus. That's a couple bucks. 70 bucks. Like what? Like 200 bucks. Like $200 worth of cards. $350 to submit it. $150 for the subscription. I think these 8 cards might even cover that. I think these, I mean, whichever one, I'm going to, actually, let me see if any of the certain numbers tickle my fancy. Anything with like a 69 in it? Doesn't look like I'm going to get any 69s. That would have been funny just for the meme. I definitely would have kept something with like a dirty number like that. But one of these 10s I'm definitely keeping. My first submission. That's the one I'm going to keep. 23. It's got 23 on it. Jordan. Represent. But yeah, these are my thoughts. GameStop. This is a big move for GameStop. They were already getting into the graded cards. They were buying up graded cards a couple months ago. Actually, maybe we'll revisit their website again, and we'll take a look to see if the price, what the prices, like how the prices are. But yeah, this is the video. This is my first submission. I think I did pretty good. Quick math, I probably got like a 45% 10 rate. It was nice to know now. Like, I know that this Gengar had some curved edges. And it had a little bit of whitening on the back, if I recall. Very little whitening on the back. But now I know that the edges, like these edges, I don't know, let me see if I could catch. See how like they have, you see that little strip right there? That's because this whole edge of the card, it's got a little curl to it. Ever so slightly. Let me see if I can catch it on this one as well. You see it? You see that little, that right there at the top? Across the whole top. Turns out, now I know, that might not be the biggest deal in the world. Because this got a 9. And it's got some whitening on it. So, you know, this was also a good learning lesson. I can actually look at these cards now. I could take a look at this. I could say, why'd this get a 9? What is wrong with this card, actually, that it only got a 9? If you haven't submitted cards for grading, this is my first. I'm thrilled. It's definitely a learning experience. Even if you don't make money on it, you got to lose a couple bucks. You know what? I think this was worth it. I didn't lose money, so I shouldn't say it was, you know, I shouldn't speak if you lose money, it's worth it. But this is cool. This is pretty cool. I'm very excited about this. I'm excited to get another submission going, especially seeing that I just realized they're all 9s and 10s. They're all 9s and 10s. No 8s. No 7s, no 6s. They're all 9s and 10s. I didn't even realize that. That's so cool. Yeah. Grade some cards. This is pretty cool and exciting. Kind of a dragged out video. I just keep looking down at these cards. You don't have a PSA membership, I would really consider grading through GameStop. $15.99. They cover everything. $5 shipping fee. Free shipping if you're already a pro member. So you're saving another $5 there just for already having a membership. You know, this is huge. These cards are huge. Grading is huge. Grading is definitely... I never thought I'd be grading cards. Like, actually. I know I always talked about it. I never thought I'd actually do it. Grade some cards, guys. This is kind of cool. I'll see you guys in the next video.